Hey everybody, we're back over here and we've installed a heavy duty tomato cage. They really don't have to be this tall, but when you're out there and you're trying to get stuff for free, you do the best you can. But I really insist that you get something very strong. If you're using little tomato cages, stake them up. The tomatoes are going to get big, they're going to get heavy. So anyhow, we're going to go ahead and plant this Japanese hybrid. This is a yellow Mamataro, okay? Mamataro, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm real hip on these Japanese hybrids. Last year we did them and it was like double, triple the amount of tomatoes all my other ones are. And I think for myself, I would prefer having production rather than glamour. And the hybrids, you're gonna get a lot more tomatoes. So anyhow, we're gonna plant this guy. Make sure you label your tomatoes. As you can see, all these tomatoes look the same. I'll wire on a hard label on here and I'll put it down here. So what I'd like to do is just take the bottom few stems off this guy. I'm gonna squeeze it out, not try to break it. It's kind of fragile. We'll score the roots a little bit. We want to try to plant this down as deep as we can. So I'm gonna go ahead and get down here.
And why, Steve? Why do we plant it?
It'll be a stronger root. It'll get a stronger stalk. It's just a little bit better for the tomato. You don't have to, but I like to do it because it's gonna just give me a better plant in the long run.
Awesome.
So I go ahead and just pack it in here. Our tomatoes done. Where's my fertilizer, Stefan? Ah, nope, I guess we don't have any.
Or liquid.
I want to go ahead and put another handful of the organic dry fertilizer on top, okay? At that point, I'm going to do a liquid to water this in. And every time I water, I'm going to not only foliar feed, but I'm going to root feed with a liquid organic. And the key to a tomato plant is keeping them dry. These were planted 3 weeks ago. I have not watered them yet, but it did rain quite a bit. So as you can see, I'm soaking the water this really good with the...
So once we get into the heat, what would you say? Once a week?
No. We were doing these last year every 3 weeks.
No way.
Now, when it got really hot, what happened is I kind of waited to see if they drooped. Now, there's a little trick, and the plant will play tricks on you. If they're looking like in the afternoon, like they're thirsty, they'll tease you. Wait till the evening, because they'll perk back up. If they're wilt looking in the morning, yes, water them. But in the afternoon, the plant will tease you.
Got it.
So, that being said, Lasagna Method works. And the key to a good tomato is don't water. It's a weed.